Today is my first day. What if no one talks to me? I want to be brave. Maybe school will be okay. My bag is ready. Lily, are you awake? Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom. Mom, I feel scared.
I know, honey. I am here.
Do I look okay?
You look so nice today.
Will the children like me?
They will see your kind heart. You are kind and brave.
I will try, Mom.
Dad, Lily is coming.
Good. Breakfast is ready.
Today is your big day. Yes, my first day. I feel a little nervous. That is okay. You can do it.
Lily, everyone feels nervous on the first day.
Even you, Dad.
Yes, I felt nervous too.
What did you do?
I took one small step.
One small step?
I can take one small step.
Yes, that is enough.
You do not need to be perfect.
I only need to try.
What if I make a mistake? Then you learn something new. Mistakes are okay.
Okay, Mom.
Books, pencils, and crayons.
Thank you, Dad.
Your bag is ready.
I think I am ready too.
Did I forget anything?
Maybe courage.
You already have courage.
I will use it today.
Is it too heavy? A little, but I can carry it. Tell me if you need help.
I will, Mom.
It still feels big. You will grow into it.
Lily, I have something for you. For me?
It is my lucky pen. Really? Now it is your lucky pen. Thank you, Ethan.
Maybe this will help me.
Yes, it will.
You are a good brother. I know. It is a beautiful morning. Yes, a little scary too.
You can do this, sweetie.
You are not alone.
We are with you.
Thank you. I can do this.
Yes, you can.
One step at a time. One small step.
There are so many children. And many new friends, too. What if nobody talks to me?
Someone will.
And if you smile first?
Maybe they will smile too.
Everything feels loud. Take a deep breath. Okay.
Good job! I am proud of you already.
Really?
You are doing very well.
I am trying.
That is what brave people do.
Brave people feel scared too?
Yes. But they keep going.
I want to keep going too. I think I can do it now.
I know you can.
Ready?
Ready.
You are very brave today.
I am trying to be brave.
School looks fun.
Maybe. The school is so big.
Soon it will feel small.
Hello. Welcome to class.
Hello, teacher.
Thank you for helping Lily today.
I am very happy to meet her. Nice to meet you too.
What is your favorite color?
Yellow.
That is my favorite too.
Really?
Yes, really.
You have a beautiful smile, Lily.
Thank you.
Come inside and meet the class.
Okay.
You are going to do great.
Will you come back soon?
Very soon.
Have fun today. I will try. Everything is so colorful. We like happy colors here. Everyone, this is Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello. Oh no. It is okay.
I am sorry. No problem, Lily. Here you go.
Thank you, teacher.
You are doing very well.
Really?
Yes, really. The classroom is beautiful. I am happy you like it. Let me show you your seat. Okay.
I like it very much.
I knew you would.
This feels nice. Lily. That is my name. My first school name tag. It looks perfect. Maybe school is not scary. School is fun.
Good morning, class.
Class, this is Lily. Hello. Hello. Hello, Lily. Hello. I think I will like this school.
Today we will draw our favorite animal.
Yay!
You can draw anything you like.
I do not know what to draw. Everyone else is drawing already. What should I make?
Do you need help?
Maybe
A little. You can use my crayons.
Really? Thank you. These colors are so pretty. Yellow is my favorite. Mine too.
Your drawing looks nice already. I am still learning.
I like little birds. Why?
Because they are brave. Wow, your bird is very cute. You really think so?
Yeah.
You are a very good artist. Nobody said that before. What do we have here? It is a little bird. This is beautiful, Lily.
Really?
Really, I love the colors.
Thank you, teacher.
You should feel proud.
It looks amazing. So cute. Thank you, everyone.
Do you want to play with me later?
Yes, I would like that. I am happy now. I am happy too.
Who knows this animal?
Me!
What animal is this?
I know this one.
Huh? You can answer. Yes, Lily?
It is a cat.
Correct. Good job, Lily.
Thank you.
I answered in front of everyone, and you did great. You are very brave. I felt nervous. Me too sometimes. Now let's play a game.
Yay! Yay!
Find the letter B.
Go!
Go, Lily. I see it.
I found it! Yay!
Very good, Lily. This game is fun. You won. No, we won together. Can you sit with me? Yes.
Huh?
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Good. Apples are healthy.
This is a very good apple. My mom packed too many.
I had a very good day.
Me too.
Yo, come play with us.
Okay.
This is so fun! You are very fast. School is fun now. I told you. Good work today, everyone.
Today was fun.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes. I want to come back.
See you tomorrow, Lily. See you tomorrow. I made my first friend. There she is.
She looks happy.
Mom, Dad. Lily!
How was your day?
It was really fun. I was scared this morning.
And now?
I am very happy.
Did you make any friends?
Yes, I did. She helped me a lot. And we played games.
Wow.
You did something very brave today.
I think so too. I was very scared this morning.
But you kept going.
Now I love school.
That makes me very happy.
Today was a good day.
Tomorrow will be fun too.
Good night, Lily.
Good night, Mom.
I am ready for school. See you after school.
Have a wonderful day.
We love you, Lily.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.